Alright, Topaz guitar fans, we've got our 250th celebration guitar here, and I'm going to do an acoustic Amazing Grace, probably because it's the only, no, it's almost the only song I can play, but I'm still getting used to this fretboard, and the extra fret here, the 1.5, extra fret at the 6.5, so it's just throwing my fingers off completely, but I'll try and get through it. Yeah, I'm back out in the garage, but this video was supposed to get done this morning and nothing's gone according to plan all day. So we might hear some fireworks in the background, and hopefully this fan behind me is not too loud, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so switch the fan. I got a smaller one, quiet one over there, got rid of that big noisy one, plug this in, and give it a little more patriotic song, Home on the Range, and we'll get something really patriotic hopefully here. I'm still learning some of these songs. This one I know, so we'll do this one. Alright guys, a little interruption there. Maybe we'll hear some more fireworks. Got pretty loud, so I had a couple other things I had to take care of. I wish I could do the Star Spangled Banner, but that's not going to happen tonight. I tried 3 or 4 different songs, and I'm not ready to publish them to YouTube, that's for sure. But I will do the Erie Canal, because that one I know pretty well. This fretboard's still kind of messing me up a little bit, but I think we can get through it okay. And so we'll do that one. hit a couple of wrong notes in there, and I'll show you why. I was in a hurry, and I gotta bend this down flat because it's leaving a mark. So maybe tomorrow I'll fix that. I want to finish the bridge because that's just raw walnut. And guys, take a look at it. So yeah, a little more work to do on this, tighten it up, and but it'll come out just nice. So till next time.